Hi everybody, welcome back to Hashtag Fabulous, where everything is fabulous. And I'm your girl Fab, or AJ, whichever one. And today I am showing you guys how to do a simple yet kind of glamorous, kind of gold African tribal inspired look in inspiration and in celebration of Black History Month. Happy Black History Month. Oh my god. I've been waiting for this month like since the last February, so it's been like a whole year. And I'm excited that it's back, bitch. You should be too, bitch. But anyway, I'm sorry if my audio quality sucks Donkey Kong balls. I have to order a new battery for my microphone. I did order a new battery for my microphone. So, if it sounds like I'm yelling or projecting a little more than usual, it's because I am, because I want you guys to hear me and stuff. So, this is my African tribal inspired look. Something simple. This is just something a simple look. I found like more advanced ones that I want to show you guys. If you want to do more advanced ones, I know I want to, because I'm trying to look for ideas to go to the Black Panther movie premiere. The Black Panther movie premiere. I'm trying to figure out how I want my face to look, because I already know how I want my outfit to look. Tribal African print. Yes. Yes, for the gods. So, I am showing you how to be beat for the African gods and goddesses, honey. How to be beat. Simple way. Simple ways, something a little quicker, a little faster than usual. I didn't use a lot of product. I didn't use a lot concealer. I used you guys will see. But anyway, I'm rambling. I'm super excited for this look because I am super in love with this look. Oh my god. So I hope you guys love this look and love doing it and following the steps and stuff. I try my best like showing you guys. Before I get into the video, the paint, the white paint I use is this Miron Clown White. Comes in this big jar. It's face paint, because if you guys haven't seen my earlier videos, I'm into face paint and special effects and stuff like that. Check out my Instagram for more. It'll be in the description box below, my Instagram and my Snapchat. So that's enough rambling. I'm so excited, if you guys can't tell. Let's get on with the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this fabulous video of this fabulous yet simple yet fabulous look. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's like you can just see the glow. You can just feel the glow. It's like I feel like an African goddess. I know my fingernail is broken. I already know that. Okay. Don't worry about it. Mind your business. Mind your business. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing this video. I was so excited for this idea and many more ideas like this to come up until the end of Black History Month. So, yeah, I am super excited, and I hope you guys are super excited like I am too. So, if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below which looks would you like me to do. Would you like me to do another more advanced tribal look, or would you like me to do something like a little bit more like everyday, a little bit more like glamour, like going out, like drag queen, like I can do it all, like whatever. So just comment down below what you think of this look, and like, share, subscribe, bitches. Subscribe, y'all. Thank you guys for joining me. Thank you so much for supporting me. I am slowly but surely growing my channel, and I'm just so excited because I'm like putting my all into this, because I always wanted to freaking do this, and like I'm finally freaking doing it. I'm following my dreams, being a YouTuber, and anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry I'm hyper today. I had plenty of sleep, and I was hyped for this look. I was like dreaming about this face, okay? So, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please like my video. Thumbs it up. I think I'm repeating myself. You know, like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.